Oh no, I have traveled back in time, but that's okay. Because we can go around. Oh, go ahead. Go ahead. No.
No?
I'm just recording. If I step here, apparently I can make it quick.
No.
It does not work. Anyways,
You want to go that way first and then come back this way? Because there's stuff over there.
the recording
Okay.
didn't work.
Okay, so this right over here, you can actually sit
There's
down.
things over here.
Yeah, you can actually look. You can sit down and find your own fossils, and you can come over to this machine, and you put it here. Look, let me show you real quick. And you can do these buttons, and you can zoom in on that.
Meanwhile, on the TV. Actually, it's been easier.
Oh, that's okay. I'm in the way. No, I'm.
There we go. Fixed. Here and here. And some sea stuff over here. Walls are for possessed. And here we're in the dress. This is what it would have looked like at the time. Some dinosaurs over here. Big ol' eggs here. Large.
Is that a Stegosaurus?
I'm like, what?
Stegosaurus?
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
Look above you on the right, up top.
Oh god, the thing is attacking. It's trying to eat me. Squeeze at me. Back at you. And in here, we see some more things around.
Take your time.
I'm taking my time.
I don't think your people see my life, so take your time. We're in no rush.
Getting colder now. Excuse me. Thank you. screen doesn't work.
That's a mastodon or woolly mammoth.
Oh, fish, 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 fish. It's fish in here. There's fish in here. Yep, fish. And some more fish. Little funky looking thing. Oh, fish. There's a fish.
Whoever's gonna watch that's gonna be dizzy because she goes so fast. What is this do? Oh, that's how they drill for layers of ice. You know, in some places, it's like 3 miles thick. It's crazy.
You touched
Is
it.
that cold?
That is cold. My hand is wet.
Oh, geez.
Told you.
I think there's a room in there that you could look at this video. Oh, this is what I was talking about. She's doing real lifetime archaeological stuff.
I see it. I see
Pretty
it.
cool. Yeah, let's look at this.
This is our planet.
Yep.
A planet of water, rock, air, and life of all kinds. We don't just live on this planet, we're a part of it. And it is part of us. Without Earth, life could not exist. But without life, Earth wouldn't be anything like it is now. It would probably be more like Mars or Venus. Life is as much a part of our Earth's composition as our rocks and water. How did Earth give rise to life? And how did life first change the Earth? About 5 billion years ago, the Earth formed from a spinning cloud of dust, the inner ring of what would later become our solar system. A unique set of conditions, the minerals and the dust that form the planet, the size the Earth became, its distance from the sun, all these combined to make life possible. As the dust gathered, heavier elements like iron, nickel, and radioactive material sank to the center, forming the core. Lighter materials rose to the top, forming a crust. The heat from the core kept the crust in a constantly changing state, just as it does today. As that early Earth formed, the intense heat of these gases that had been locked in the growing Earth, as other gases like oxygen and hydrogen combined to form one of the most fundamental requirements for life: water. And because the Earth was just the right distance from the sun, liquid water could exist. The first oceans began to form. Carbon combined with oxygen to form carbon dioxide, and other gases accumulated. The very beginnings of a protective atmosphere that could retain water. Due to its size, the Earth had enough gravity to hold on to its new atmosphere. And with an atmosphere and liquid water, life was just a short step away. in the rocks suggests that the first life began in the ocean about 4 billion years ago.
That is
First,
really
probably
cool.
just self-replicating molecules. Then tiny single-celled bacteria. Some of these early bacteria cause sediment around them to bind into a thin mat. And these mats piled up on top of each other. The chemical reaction of the bacteria and the water created lime. And this lime cemented the mats together, forming mounds. Mounds that are called stromatolites. Stromatolite fossils are amongst the oldest known convincing evidence of life on Earth. Today, living stromatolites in Australia look much as they would have looked 3.5 billion years ago, giving an idea of what the world must have looked like in those distant times. All life needs energy. Some kinds of bacteria began to process light from the sun to produce energy. And this process, photosynthesis, created oxygen as a byproduct. Today, blue-green algae, which are actually bacteria and not algae, function in the same way. As masses of bacteria photosynthesized, they generated more and more oxygen. And this new oxygen altered the environment of life and the surface of the Earth itself. Oxygen in the atmosphere became sufficiently concentrated to block ultraviolet light, which can be damaging to living things. Oxygen combined easily with minerals of the Earth's surface, quickening the pace of erosion. It also combined with iron dissolved in seawater to form massive deposits of iron ore.
That's funky.
Already at this earliest time in Earth's history, life was shaping the planet, as the planet was sustaining life. Between 1.5 and 2 billion years ago, a new kind of cell appeared. These new cells, called eukaryotes, were the first complex one-celled organisms. They had a nucleus and other more complex parts that allowed them to divide more precisely, to recombine with each other, and produce more variations. The first multicellular life, plants and animals, evolved from some of these one-celled eukaryotes, perhaps around 1 billion years ago. Rising levels of atmospheric oxygen, changes in ocean chemistry and global climate, and changes in the genetic structure of organisms now set the stage for the Cambrian explosion, the major diversification of animal life, which began about 544 million years ago. The mural you walk past as you enter the museum contains 544 tiles. Each tile represents 1 million years since the dawn of the Cambrian period. If you were to make a mural like this with a tile for every million years since bacteria first appeared in the ocean, you would need more than 3,500 tiles. And you would need 4,600 tiles to take you back to the Earth's beginning. Such a mural would be almost a mile long, and thus the time that complex life has existed on this planet is relatively brief. How have Earth and life changed together through history? How do we understand their complex and ever-evolving interactions? That is what this museum is all about.
That was very interesting.
Look at all that chaos. Down and go to here. Oh, I have a prompt. Ammonite over here, some of these funky dudes. Okay, I'll meet you there. Mosquitoes that can spread disease. What the hell? Anyways. Found one.
Stay right there for a second. I'm going in here to go to the restroom, all right?
Look at this funky looking
I'll
guy.
be right out. Stay right there. I'm going right here.
If this was a bit bigger, then you would be able to hear the sound there. This one's bigger. Apparently, if you put your ear to one of these bad boys, you would be able to see. That's a funky sound.
Those are pretty cool. Oh, wow, look at that.
Wait, what?
You can hear the ocean.
Guys, if you listen to one of these bad boys, apparently you would be able to hear the ocean.
Do you have to go to the restroom? I can hold that.
Nah.
You pause it. I can hold it for you. Come out.
I'm good, I'm good. More shells up here. Excuse me.
I think we should go before we leave here.
Some shells are here. Rock looking things, shell looking things. Oh, those are empty.
I believe that's the end of the tour. Unless you want to go around again, see something you hadn't seen yet because you went so
I
fast.
believe that's the end of the tour, yeah?
Do you have to go to the bathroom before we leave?
Nah,
You
I
sure?
don't.
Okay.
I'm sure.
Okay. This place is so cool, right? Oh, so these are those tiles they were talking about. There would be a mile. If you
Would
put
be
each
a
one.
mile if you did the whole history, including right here, right now. Look at all of that.
They're numbered too. Those are each tile is a million years. to the video.
And
Oh, did you? When you was downstairs, did you see the sign that said "Look up"?
no.
Because you was right underneath that big giant skeleton thing in front of you. You was downstairs.
Wait, what? Oh my god, I was.
It was right above your head.
I was underneath that. I didn't notice. What the hell?
Oh, yeah, look.
And here's some more stuff going on over here, including this.
So you were standing right there. There's a sign I'm going to show you that says "Look up," and you would have looked up and seen that right above your head.
Giant old squid over here. And yeah, that's pretty much all to see. Bye-bye.